destiny in a danger? Because me hear a voice say your beloved daughter will never be safe. And me take that personally.
And that you hear the night when we in our room? Why you never tell me?
And why you don't tell me where I'm going? So me if I tell you when you not tell me nothing?
Babe, it's not so easy, you know.
So break it down for me. Because if destiny in a danger, then that means say you in a danger. And if you in a danger, Christopher, that means say me in a danger. And if me in a danger, that means say my mother and my father might in a danger. So hurry up and talk to me.
Shepherd never tell you nothing about me or nobody were there around me or anything at all to do with me.
Chris, daddy and God no. Plus me don't tell him say anything him say that's pertaining to me and you. If it don't life threatening, keep it to himself. And he has been doing that.
You really tell him that, Patsy? Him always look out for we, you know?
So we can look out for itself. If it's life threatening, I'm gonna tell me. What me want is you tell me what happened.
Give me a phone.
What? Why?
Now check so.
Check what, Chris?
You know the line of work I'm in, Patsy. I just want to check to see if your phone bug or anything.
Say that serious?
Babe, I'm not going to a private part. At the security part and staying.
Okay.
Well, lock it in your drawer.
Okay, sir.
Alright. So, my job is at risk. The agency under investigation. And a politician brother might try to draw me out.
Dry you out? What do you mean?
I want to give him information from the agency. I might try to shut me down. And I me might try to use to do it.
So, you want to turn it in an informer? That's what you're telling me?
Babe, I don't like that word. I just want some information.
Oh, I'm not going to say informer. I'm going to use the next word. Snitch.
Yeah, this serious, you know?
So, I'm going to just tell him now.
If it is that easy, we'll do it long time. We are undercover agents. And if him blow our cover, everybody will come after we, including the ones we associated with we.
So, babe, maybe we can relocate, right? Because, I mean, we can't always find an next job. We can go to a country just for a little bit, Not too long. But then we'd have to move destiny. But we can work on something. I don't like to tell him nothing, right? So I don't want a situation where babe, not tell me say you start give him information.
Yeah.
Why you would do that?
Babe, the information I'm give him, it's not really valuable to him.
What you mean? No agency information you give this man. Miss Bubbles know about this?
Babe, may I try work out something?
Yeah. Talk about destiny. We are work out.
She had the main reason why me even do it.
How she even get involved in all this, Chris?
As she used to get to me, him couldn't get to me no other way.
So him to forget to you. How?
After I'm threatened for reveal your identity, him send somebody a Destiny school. So now you realize why me have to do it?
Baby, you have to fix this. You have to talk to Miss Bubbles.
I can't do that, babes. My daughter at risk. If I do that, I go move to Destiny.
We data. So that's why you make me drive all the way there. I never want nobody to trail me.
Exactly.
Baby,
One more thing, babe. I make him pay for Destiny visa.
you mean the visa when me and work start have to pay for? I don't much dirty head at the time I work overnight. You make him pay for?
Babe, me know say paying for the visa wasn't a problem. I'm not comfortable with nothing what happen, but I not a choice. I'm why I understand.
Alright, but right now this are too much things for me to process. I'm have too much here to do before the night done. I have to just give me some time at work what I want to because this is too much, baby.
Come back and pick you up.
Yeah, you can't do that. Do that.
Alright.